Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my another version video channel. Today I'm gonna react on a song called BAANI. It's a official Nepali music video, and the channel is called Subani Moktan, and it's a 75.3k subscriber. And please make sure you subscribe the channel of Subani Moktan too. So without any further ado, let's watch the video first, and we will talk about the video later. Wow, does it have subtitles? Bad boys. That's the beginning of every love story. Kind of like fresh, like the sound is fresh, the music is fresh, and the whole song is like, that's the beginning of every love story, Okay, that's a good one. Actually, that's a good one. That's a simple, simple romantic, and the romantic music video that focus on how how the romance started during earlier days, how the romance started and how it goes. It is the story is quite common in some people. Like it just happens. And I hope some people might be similar with the stories of this music video. Right. Okay, that's it for today. And if you have anything in your mind, or if you have any good music videos or film songs that you want me to react on or comment on, kindly suggest me in the comment section, and I'll try to check it out, and I'll try to react on that video too. So until then, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to see more other reaction videos with me. Thank you.